All right, guys, today we're going to do unit rates. Yesterday we did ratios and rates. A unit rate is the rate for 1 unit of something, like $2.09 per gallon of gas, or $3.50 for 1 gallon of milk. And if you don't have a unit rate already, you can get that by dividing. Okay, and I'll explain what that means in a minute. But for instance, we want to write a unit rate as a ratio in fraction form, or just as a fraction. So what we want is we want the unit we're looking for to be the denominator on the bottom, okay? So what that looks like is this. So it's going to be, the unit is on bottom, and then the other numbers on top, okay? So number, okay? For this one, it's $2.09 per gallon of gas, right? So the way we write that is 209 over 1 gallon of gas. That's our unit. That's what we're looking for. So money on top and gas on bottom. Okay. Another way, 50 cents per apple. Okay. The unit we're trying to figure out is apple. It's not money, it's at the apple, so it's per apple. So we would write 50 cents over 1 apple. Okay? So that's how you write a unit rate, as a fraction. Okay? It's always going to be over 1 of something. You have to figure out what that 1 of something is. Okay? The next kind of problem is to figure out what the unit rate is if it's not explicitly given, okay? Number 3 says 2 gallons of gas for $4.18, okay? Well, we want to figure out what it is for 1 gallon of gas, right? So if 2 gallons of gas is $4.18, right, we can write that as a rate. $4.18 over 2. So we have money and then gas, right? Well, the way we figure that out is we just divide. If we have 2 gallons of gas for $4.18, we divide this by 2. $4.18, that's literally what it's telling you too. $4.18 divided by 2. It equals 209. It's 209 for 1 gallon. Okay? So the big thing here is identifying what unit you are looking for. We're looking for gallons of gas. We're not looking for dollars, right? We don't want to figure out how many gallons of gas per dollar. We want to figure out how many dollars per gallon of gas. Okay, this one says $6 for a 6-pack of Coke, and then you want to figure out the unit price for a can. Unit price, I'll put dollars, for 1 can, okay? Well, if it's $6 for a 6-pack of Coke, it's $6 over 6 cans. We just divide. 6 divided by 6, that equals 1. And that's $1 for 1 can. Okay? So again, you're going to write your unit rate as fraction. And again, a unit rate is 1 of something, right? 1 gallon of gas, 1 apple, 1 orange, 1 banana, 1 cat, $12 for 1 cat. That's a little silly, but anyway, this is how you figure it out. What the unit you're looking for goes on the bottom, and usually the price goes on top, okay?